Hallelujah. Whatever that was broken, those stones that broke and fell apart, those are your stepping stone to your success. Hallelujah. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Anything that the enemy used to distract you, and Paul is telling us our past can be used as a weapon. Hallelujah. Our past can be used as a weapon to bring us down. Today we say no, like Nehemiah. No one shall use our past to crucify us. Jesus took it on the cross. You don't need to remind me of my yesterday, because yesterday is gone. Today is mine. Tomorrow is in the hands of God. I do not need to worry, because he has done it. It shall be permanent. It shall be permanent. What? It shall be. It shall be permanent. It shall be. It shall be permanent. It shall be permanent. What? What the Lord has done for me. It shall be. It shall be permanent. Whatever God has done for you must be permanent. Hallelujah. He said he has loved us with that love, that nothing shall separate us from that. Whether the devil, the angels, nothing. We are permanently infused in him. Amen. The Son of God. Hallelujah. Not even amount of sickness can take us away from him. We shall be sick, God shall restore us again. The way he says in the book of Okoth, after 3 days he shall revive us.